We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax update. The latest weekly USDA livestock slaughter data shows fed steer carcass weights revisited record highs at 880 pounds in late August. That carcass weight represents a 14-pound increase compared to last year, and CattleFax expects weights to continue to reach new record highs throughout the rest of the year. Fed steer carcass weights were mostly steady with last year through the first half of 2014, but starting in July, weights began to distance themselves from the previous year. Over the last 2 months, carcass weights have averaged 8 pounds higher than a year ago, and a number of factors suggest this growth should continue throughout the year's end. Better genetics have produced fed cattle with more growth and quality grade potential, and coming out of the drought, the quality of the corn crop has been better, while summer weather conditions have been relatively ideal for cattle finishing. However, the biggest contributor to increasing carcass weights in recent weeks has likely been the slower pace of fed cattle marketings. USDA reported fed cattle marketings have slowed considerably in recent months. July marketings were down 9%, and year-to-date levels are currently 4% below a year ago. The number of cattle on feed for more than 120 days has also shifted from being 23% below last year in January to being 5% higher than last year in July. Stronger than expected prices for fed cattle, cheaper costs of gains, and higher replacement costs for cattle coming into feed yards have all influenced this trend. These factors will continue to influence fed cattle marketings in the short term. While a loss in currentness typically leads to lower market prices, immediate damage may be limited by the smaller fed cattle marketings projected against the fourth quarter. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Lance Zimmerman.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.